Ever wondered how your smartphone identifies your face, even in a crowd? The magic lies in real-time artificial intelligence, or AI, working tirelessly behind the scenes. Today we dive into the fascinating world of real-time AI projects. We kick off with facial recognition, a marvel of real-time AI. It's not just about unlocking your phone. Think about a camera scanning a crowd and identifying faces, all in real time. It's not sorcery, just a set of complex algorithms working at lightning speed. Next, we explore the realm of smart home automation. Imagine walking into your home after a long day and the lights adjust to your mood, the temperature sets itself just right, and your favorite tune starts playing. It's not a science fiction movie. It's real-time AI learning from your behavior and making your life easier. Ever been surprised by how accurately your phone predicts what you're about to type? That's predictive text, another real-time AI wonder. It learns your typing pattern and suggests the most probable next word. The autocorrect feature has never been so intuitive thanks to AI working in real time. We then delve into the critical area of fraud detection in banking. Real-time AI is the unsung superhero here, analyzing your transactions as they occur, spotting any suspicious activities and acting on them instantly. It's like having a vigilant guard, monitoring your bank account around the clock. Finally, we hit the road with autonomous vehicles. The ability of self-driving cars to stay on the right path is all down to real-time AI. It processes data from various sensors, cameras, and GPS, making split-second decisions to keep you safe. It's like having an unblinking co-pilot, constantly at work. In summary, real-time AI is subtly transforming our world. From our smartphones to our homes, from our banks to the roads we travel on, it's omnipresent, making our lives more efficient and intriguing. We've just skimmed the surface today, and there's a lot more to explore, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Stay curious, stay tech-savvy, and keep exploring the marvels of technology with us.